Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open any website like Google, YouTube, Alison, Coursera, and any of your favorite websites with a keyboard shortcut. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to open any of your favorite websites with a keyboard shortcut, you have to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any of the steps, okay? So to get started, I'm going to right click on the desktop, then I'll go to new and then shortcuts. So I'm going to type the URL of the website I want to open with the keyboard shortcut, okay? So I'm going to type https://google.com. Then I'll click on next, then I'll name it Google. Now click on finish. Okay, when I'm done like this, I'm going to right click on the shortcut, then I go to properties, then I'll go to shortcut keys, then I'll type my shortcut. Okay, so it's Control Alt G, okay, to open the Google with a keyboard shortcut. So let me click on apply and then okay, and I'm going to create another shortcut for YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to go to new and then shortcut. So I'm going to type the URL https:// okay, youtube.com. So I'll click on next and then I'll type YouTube. Then I'll click on finish. So I'm going to right click on the shortcut and then I'll click on properties and then I'll change the shortcut keys to Y. So Control plus Alt plus Y. The Y stands for the YouTube, okay? Then I'll click on apply and then okay. And then we are going to create another one for Coursera, okay? So I right click on the desktop, I go to new, then I go to shortcuts. So I'm going to type the URL https://coursera.com, okay? Then I'm going to click on next, then I'm going to name it Coursera, okay? Coursera, okay. So I'm going to click on finish, and then I'm going to create another one for Alison, okay? So I'll right click on the desktop, I go to new, shortcut, and then https://alison.com. Then I'll click on next, then I'll type Alison, then I'll click on finish, okay? I'm going to create the last one for Udemy, okay? So I'm going to right click on the desktop, I go to new, and then shortcut, and I'll type https://udemy.com. Then I'll click on next, and then I'm going to name it Udemy. Then I'll click on finish. Okay, so when I'm done like this, I'm going to create the shortcut for Udemy, Alison, and then Coursera. So I'm going to right click on it, then I go to properties, then I change the shortcut to U. Okay, so Control plus Alt plus U will open Udemy for me. Okay, so I'm going to click on apply and then okay. Then I'm going to do that for Alison. I'll right click on it, I go to properties, then I'll change it to A. Okay, the A for Alison. Then I'll click on apply and then okay. And then the Coursera, I'll right click on it, I go to properties, then I change it to C. Okay, so Control plus Alt plus C will open Coursera for me. So I click on apply and then okay. You can also choose to change the icons, okay, the icons. So you can right click on the Coursera, you go to properties, then you go to change icon. So you can download the icons for the courses, okay, for your website, okay, so that you can identify them by the icons, okay. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to leave it at the default. So now we are going to demonstrate it. So let me bring my on-screen keyboard and then we demonstrate and then we see what happens, okay. So let me bring my on-screen keyboard. So first I'm going to open the Google, okay. So I'm going to press Control Alt G. Let's see what happens. Okay, so Control or G has opened Google. So let me close it, and then I'll press Control Alt U. I want to open Udemy. So let's see whether it will open or not. Okay, so you see we've opened a Udemy with a keyboard shortcut. Okay, so let me close the Udemy, and then we open Coursera. Okay, so I'm going to type Control Alt C, the C for the Coursera. Okay, your connection isn't private. Okay, so let me go to advanced. Let me minimize the keyboard and then continue to Coursera. Okay, so now you see we've opened the Coursera with the keyboard shortcut. So let me close it and then we open the Allison. So let me bring the keyboard shortcut or the on-screen keyboard, and then we type Control Alt A to open the Allison. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. So when you want to open any of your favorite websites, you don't have to now click the browser. Let me close this. You don't have to click the browser and then you type the URL of the website you want to go to or you want to visit. You can create the keyboard shortcut for your favorite website. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. If you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.